Unaitwa nani? Kyle. Look at those skills. That's like a work of art. See the way he's dressing it? The unpeeling makes it look like some dreadlocks, right? That's awesome. Yeah, and then the packaging in some plastic paper bag. Yeah, this is Nairobi. This is the street. I think this street is called Latema. So he just packages it in that plastic paper. Oh, he has not even finished. So the other side, okay. So the work of art continues. No, disappointed. He didn't do what he did in the first place. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Look at it. No, it's the season for these mangoes. So a lot of them in the streets. So he's partitioning it so that he can add some, some seasoning. Now, why is he hiding it? Look at that. He just hid it from me. I don't see what he's doing behind there. Look at that. Come on. Okay, now we're back with it. He brings it back. That's it. Okay, now that's it with the seasoning. Tastes amazing. The taste is amazing. It's very sour, plus the sweetness of the mango. It's incredible. That was fine. So I'm heading to the next spot. They have some Swahili snacks and stuff like that. I'll show you. I don't know the name, but Kashata, we're talking about the dates. We're heading there and I'll show you in a minute. Kashata, coconut. Mabuyu ni ngapi? 50. Nitachukua hizi mbili. So we got this, but this is too much. I can't finish it myself, so we'll have to give it to someone. Yeah, but I'll take one of this, test it. This is too sugary and it's a lot. I can't have all of it, so let's walk around and give it someone. Sasa, unaitwa? Unaitwa nani? Vicky, unakulanga mabuyu? Nikupe? Na huyu nani? Kali. Nikupige picha ama uko sawa? Utakula? Umeenda shule ama uliacha? Unaendanga? Umefunga? Utakula mabuyu ama kashata? Kashata. Chukua yote. Hii. Bona nini iko ndani? Bye. Amazing. Did you see them? That was amazing. So thanks for viewing. See you in the next video. Adios.